Thank you very much for the introduction. Hello and good afternoon to all. I'm Shyam from University Campus Infrastructure, National University of Singapore. We are excited to share at Esri Singapore User Conference and doubly so to be part of its virtual incarnation. I'll be covering NUS Smart Campus Vision, the Smart Campus Initiative, and the collaboration with Esri during this sharing session. Let me share a bit details of NUS. Being one of the top global universities established in 1905, NUS currently has 3 campuses with more than 40,000 students, occupying 1.6 million meter square land space. We have over 200 buildings that cover a gross floor area of more than 2 million meter square. We had about 60,000 people, including students, staff, collaborators, vendors, contractors, and visitors on campus. Being one of the top research universities, we attract about 800 million research grants annually. You could imagine the size of the campus and the complexity of its operations. Over the years, NUS had grown from a teaching tertiary institute to one of the leading global teaching and research universities. Other than teaching venues, we have many research laboratories, student halls of residences, food centers, shop. We manage the distribution of electricity, other utilities, internal shuttle services. Currently, the campus is more like a township. Managing and maintaining the huge infrastructure, the support facilities with people in it, and striving towards excellence in all areas is a challenge. Other than the routine operations, we have many more commitments. For example, in 2012, being a member of the International Alliance for Research Universities, NUS had committed to reduce its carbon emission by 23% by 2020 based on our 2012 emission. We have formed various task forces such as energy, water, green spaces, built environment, etc. to work on various initiatives in accomplishing the specific target for each task forces. Now, in 2020, we are reimagining the campus with a new vision in all aspects of our life. One of our new vision is being a 3S campus. 3S stands for Smart, Sustainable, and Safe Campus. Hope to energize innovation and enterprise in a learning community. Our current carbon footprint is 188,000 tons per year, and we would like to achieve carbon neutral by 2030. Similar to this, we have a stress target in all 3S aspects. We would like to be a leader in smart, sustainability, and safety among the Institute of Higher Learnings globally. By putting people and humanity first, we would like to work on 3 strategies on this journey. Spatial intelligence, refreshing the campus with more connectivity, and climate action plan. To do this efficiently and effectively, we need solutions that could integrate, streamline, and house our multiple systems, workflows, and data. A single source of truth that all community, the operation department, leadership team, and the researcher can access, update, and be notified by. The important strategy among those is a spatial intelligence, and we have been working closely with Esri and other partners recently on various trials and proof of concepts. Let us look at some of our current challenges. As a university established a century ago, our infrastructure was developed over the years. We are having more brownfield prisons than greener ones. Similar to many of you, one of the biggest challenges is a multiple silo system in our built environment. If you take any building, we have building management system on top of BMS, we have lift management system, lighting management system, and so on. To complicate matters, Many of these systems are proprietary and inherited since the construction of the building. Because of these constraints, our facility management staff, building managers have difficulty in getting data to validate, to make timely decisions. Meanwhile, the cost of campus operations, energy consumptions and labor continue to rise, together with the increased asset maintenance and replacement costs. This is magnified by our manual and paper-based data collection for operations and maintenance works. These methods were time-consuming due to errors and having retrieved data from multiple sources. Besides, the level of expectation from students, staff, and visitors continued to grow. I'm sure all of you had experienced the pace of technology advancement and the change in people expectation, especially among our young generation. It became increasingly challenging to meet their new norms. 80% of our building occupants are transient, with the student life cycle of about 4 years. Every year, we are having more than 10,000 new students coming to our campus. And we understand that many had trouble navigating and locating campus amenities due to the size of the campus and ongoing improvement works. Over the years, NUS has installed many standalone IoT sensors and systems. In recent years, the campus also became a testbed platform to support our researchers. The installation of many such systems leads to the production of large volume of disparate and inconsistent data types to process. It was clear that we needed a way to streamline and integrate these different systems through a single platform. A platform that not only integrates the system, but also provides intelligent insights and interacts with people. Help the campus operation team to reach the next level of service excellence. By understanding the challenges and pain points, we had conducted several workshops, meetings, interviews, and consultation sessions with various stakeholders and developed a standard workflow that campus operation people would use. We identified key segments and how they related with campus life cycle that covers digital planning, digital construction, efficient operations, and management of our facilities, engagement with our people, and our sustainability goals. The slide shows some of those smart solutions to help us in this process. This evolved into 5 digital phases that would address and overcome our business challenges, areas in which Esri Singapore's AGIS solution could optimize, integrate, streamline, and more. This is a great breakdown of the user groups within the digital stages of which solution within the smart system they will have access to. One of the identified pain points in managing multiple platforms, you can see in the top left-hand corner, we use the different system that can now be integrated and accessed. One of the identified pain points in managing multiple platforms, you can see in the top left-hand corner, we use different systems that can now be integrated and assessed. This not only provides a common platform to visualize the data, but also provides inputs from various systems to make intelligent and effective decisions timely, hopefully with the help of artificial intelligence. While exploring the capabilities of Esri's AGIS enterprise platform, we could imagine how this enables our campus infrastructure officers such as estate development, facilities management, safety and health, campus security, environmental sustainability, and our campus life people. The integration could empower each of these officers in doing their deliverables in a more effective and impactful way. Of course, by doing so, our students, staff, and visitors can be interconnected and managed. While the integrated platform stays at the center of this operation, in the form of an operational digital tin environment of NUS. The system could benefit our cleaners, facility operators, contractors, vendors, and so on, to our leaders in making timely decision and monitoring the key performance indicators. Let us look at some of the strategic outcomes that we are looking forward. By implementing such an integrated link with AGIS, we hope to achieve our objective with following outcomes: making smart technology an organic part of our daily campus life. The platform provides campus experience for our students and staff regardless of whether they are in the classroom, offices, laboratories, library, or other study spaces. The integrated platform and system could enable and empower us in reaching our sustainability and safe journey, in achieving our carbon neutrality by 2030. Other than usual benefit of integrated platform of our efficient operations, we are looking forward to making this another resource for our researchers. So being a research university, giving them grant, giving them facility to operate, we are thinking of giving them more data to process on their research activities. A metadata platform with a common platform, we thought of providing them a metadata platform that they could access and use it in innovate further, to verify the solutions and the data source for them to analyze and optimize systems. The system captures user feedbacks and provide an interface to users in achieving campus vibrancy. Of course, to facilitate our journey in green mark as well as well certification. Through this collaboration, we could create an environment that is both sustainable and vibrant. We are currently in the exploratory stage on this journey. We have been working with Esri together with our partners such as Honeywell, Johnson Control in the area of build management system, Singapore Power NG on sustainability, Microsoft and many others in envisioning this journey and fine-tuning the plans. We have been doing many trials and proof of concept with many vendors and our researchers. Let us look at few examples. First of all, on facility operation. This is one area that benefits the building managers and occupant. One area we should do at the first phase which has more impact or immediate impact for building occupants. We are looking forward to a real-time facility operations with a smart dashboard that enable user interactions. Users can provide on-time feedbacks, so the system can capture that and pass that information to our facility managers, and facility managers can take timely decisions to immediately make the necessary changes in the system. We are working on the campus-wide energy monitoring system, which not only covers the building level energy monitoring, but also provides insights of building management systems and equipment status. This also analyzes the data for trends like an environmental condition such as temperature and humidity. Second, to ensure the asset inspection and maintenance are regularly conducted and followed upon. Being the huge size of campus with 200 over building, we have many assets installed in every part and corner of buildings. So it is an enormous task for our facility management team to annually go through and visit all the assets to make it a part of our system, to make it notify the assets is physically there or not. So we hope to develop a dashboard that manages and service request and scheduling. Through them, we can track, assign and update our teams through the mobile field operations apps they are assigned. Measurement device connected to the system can also capture and verify the build component to ensure that they are aligned correctly with the design specs. Another example is the integration of building management system. As you have discussed before, BMS system is an area we want to explore further to integrate further. This is critical in the efficient operation of the building, availability of the data and information for timely decision making. The BMS is integrated with energy monitoring system and GIS system. I don't think I need to explain further on the benefit of having AGGIS or a similar system to integrate with many such systems. The integration will complement each other and enable every system to perform beyond its current capabilities. As a user, we can have a clear identity of each asset's systems, events in our diversified campus. We have been working with many partners and Esri in developing many pilots. Overall, we are employing an agile approach and currently awarded many smaller projects with the grand vision in mind. So you could see from the slide the light blue and the light green areas we are focusing at this pilot phase. At this point, we estimate another 3 to 5 years to roll out the entire system. Let us look at the timeline. This slide shows the various phases of our smart campus journey together with Esri that support our 3 years vision. By having enormous size with complex operation on campus, we have to approach the implementation by phase approach with smaller steps. Start with buildings, prison, and then expand further to campus, finally connecting all our campuses. A long journey with a clear vision in mind. We are looking forward to seeing how NUS continues on this journey of digital transformation, especially how it will impact the overall workflow and finally quantifying the ROI. We are looking towards 3I, an integrated, intelligent and interactive smart system that helps in achieving our 3-year strategies through collaboration, engagement with our student staff while providing a better campus life experiences. We look forward being a leader among the Institute of Higher Learnings in smart, sustainable and safe sectors. If you are our counterpart from other IHLs or government agencies, please let us know if you need further details or insight of some of our thoughts and trials. We are more than willing to share. If you are from a solution provider who could provide products or services to enable us in this journey, please approach us. We are willing to listen and explore further. Thank you for the time. I sincerely hope you have enjoyed it and learned something. Thank you.